In this video, we are learning how to use Arduino for measuring distances. For that purpose, we are using ultrasonic sensor. It's a kind of sensor that transmits and receives ultrasonic waves. So, this part transmits the waves, ultrasonic waves, and strikes the object. When waves comes back, this transmitter it's a receiver by the way, it receives the waves. The more the waves will come back, it means that the object is near to that sensor. So this is the basic mechanism of the ultrasonic sensor. Now I am going to teach you how to connect it with the Arduino, the pin configuration, and I will explain later in the code why I am using this type of configuration. So first I am giving it a 5-volt supply with the straight wire, and it is going with the first VCC wire of the ultrasonic sensor. Now the second yellow wire is the pin number 3 of the Arduino Mega 2560, and it is going to the triggering pin of the ultrasonic sensor. The second pin of the Arduino, the purple wire, is going to the third pin of the ultrasonic sensor. Now the fourth pin of the ultrasonic sensor is grounded. So the low bottom end of the breadboard is dedicated for ground, and it is connected to the ground of the Arduino as well. Now the other connections is like this, that we are connecting the first pin of the Arduino with the positive pin of the first LED. This LED is used for showing the distance of that object that is near, that is in the range, defined range, and the negative pin of the LED is connected with a resistor, and that end is grounded. Now the second LED is connected with the positive end of the second LED is connected with the 0 pin of the Arduino, and the negative pin of the LED is connected with a resistor, and it is grounded as well. So here is the pin configuration of this circuit. Now we'll move to the code. Now I am going to explain how to write the code for Arduino for measuring distance using ultrasonics. So the first step of writing Arduino code is to define the pins. Now as I am using the pin 3 for triggering pin 2 of Arduino for echo pin, and pin 1 for blue LED, and pin 0 for white LED. The second step for writing the code of Arduino is setup method, and for setup I am writing serial.begin for making a communication connection between Arduino and a monitor, so that we can see our result on the screen. There are many other ways to see our result, like we can use an LCD, but in this case we are using the normal monitor screen to view our result. The second step is pin mode. We are defining the pin that we defined over here. We need to define the pin mode for that pins. Like triggering pin is for output, echo pin is for input, blue LED is for output, and white LED is for output as well. Now the third step for writing the code of Arduino is loop. It is a repetition step that will repeat after a regular interval, the interval that we will define. So in the loop configuration, we are defining a variable with two variables, duration and distance. First we are setting using the digital write method, we are setting triggering pin to low, so that it will not send any ultrasonic waves. Now we are giving a delay of 2 microseconds. After the delay of 2 microseconds, we are setting triggering pin as high. After that, we are setting a delay of 10 microseconds. After then, we are setting triggering pin as low. Now we are calculating distance and duration with these formulas. And now in calculation of duration, we are setting echo pin as high, so that it will record the received waves. And now after the calculating distance, we are checking an if condition, that if the distance is less than 4, it means that if the object is within the range of 4, it is setting the blue LED as high and white LED as low. showing this blue LED is showing that the object is in range. After then, we are setting, if the condition is not satisfied, we are setting blue LED as low and white LED as high. And there is a third condition that is for extreme cases, that if the distance is greater than 200 or the distance is less than 0, it means that the object is out of range. And then we are printing the distance in the unit of centimeter, and we are giving the delay of 500, so that this method will repeat after some interval. Now we will check how this code is working on hardware.